let's start. Time to put everything in the water. Ooh. And mix together. Look like that last time we are making karaoke. What? Why sticking on the glass? I'm Palitaw. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna make Palitaw or float. So here's all the ingredients. This is glutinous rice, water, coconut, and sugar. So guys, I already removed the gloves because it's sticky on the gloves. Oblong. Guys, time to boil the water. So when it's boiling, we need to drop on one by one balls. So guys, when it's some down is floating, it means it's ready cooked. So we're going to mix the coconut and the sugar. Oh, I forgot to mention for you guys, you can put the sesame seeds on here. I forgot to buy it. Okay guys, how to tip the balls. Try this one. So guys, time to try it. I love it. That's it guys. God bless you, Palitaw Darky. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and share. And don't forget to click the notification bell and thumbs up. Bye!